So this is one of the 2 penthouses. And this is the perfect hospitality suite. And that's Four Seasons Las Vegas. And this is one of the 2 penthouses, which are pretty new.
So we have a great view of the stadium. I really think about this suite as like kind of the ultimate boys weekend, or if you're kind of having a family reunion. Great place to entertain. You can get one of our bartenders in the suite for you. Kind of stock the suite with whatever you're kind of pick your poison.
Really lovely. What a nice bar too.
And then so the way that this would connect, so the bedroom is going to be off to your right, but then we do have the option to connect a second and third bedroom on the other side of the living room.
Wow, that's awesome. And the bedroom is through this way. Oh, great. So this has like another, basically the bedroom has a full sitting, like pretty much a full sitting area.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is nice too because you can close the door. So even if you were wanting to kind of head into bed, you can shut the door and kind of still enjoy your private space.
Really lovely. There's the bathroom. It's really a great space. I love the sitting area though, in the bedroom. That's really unique. And there's the stadium out the window.
And then you have a separate entrance here as well.
Separate entrance, and then back into the main hospitality area.